This video will show you how to replace the E-shifter. You will need an 8 and 15mm spanner. Place the wheel into the front wheel stand or lean the wheel against something. Hold the axle with an 8mm spanner, then loosen the nut using a 15mm spanner. Then remove the nut. Slide the E-shifter off the axle. Then remove the washer from the E-shifter. The two markings on the inside of the E-shifter should be at a 90-degree angle. If the markings are not at a 90-degree angle, simply connect the E-shifter. Then turn on the bike by pressing the reset button. Wait for the bike to turn off. The E-shifter will automatically align. Make sure the biggest space on the gear set ring is at a 90-degree angle to the yellow dot. Slide the E-shifter onto the axle. If aligned correctly, it will fit onto the gear set ring. If aligned incorrectly, there will be a small gap between the E-shifter and the gear set ring. If incorrect, remove the E-shifter, then rotate the gear set ring until the biggest space is at a 90-degree angle to the yellow dot. Then slide the E-shifter onto the axle. Hold the axle with an 8mm spanner, then place the washer and nut onto the axle. Lightly tighten the nut using a 15mm spanner. For more help, head to support.vanmoof.com.